Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Infosys. Infosys again announced off-campus drive for 2021, 2020 and 2019 pass-out batch. Salary will be 3.6 LPA. Last date to apply is 17 December 2021. Job role will be systems engineer. What is the qualification? What is the eligibility criteria? What is the exam pattern? Everything we will discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. So first, let's discuss about qualifications. Qualifications will be either BE, BTech, ME or MTech. All branches from BE and BTech candidates are eligible. If you have done MCA, then also you are eligible. If you have done MSc, then your branch would be either computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics or statistics. Now let's discuss about percentage criteria. In 10th and 12th, you should have at least 60% marks or 6 CGPA out of 10. If you have done diploma, then you should have at least 68% marks or 6.8 CGPA. If you have done BE or BTech, then you should have at least 68% marks or 6 CGPA out of 10. If you have done ME or MTech also, then also you should have at least 68% marks or 6 CGPA out of 10. Now, in case the candidate has done both class 12 and diploma, then the best of the two is taken into consideration. For example, if you have done 12th and in 12th you have scored less than 60% and in diploma you have less than 68% marks, then also you are eligible because the best of the two is taken into the consideration. Now let's discuss about the exam pattern. So in the exam there will be total 5 sections. Section 1 will be reasoning ability. You need to solve 15 questions in 25 minutes. Section 2 will be technical ability. You need to solve 10 questions in 35 minutes. Section 3 will be verbal ability. You need to solve 20 questions in 20 minutes. Section 4 will be pseudocode. You need to solve 5 questions in 10 minutes. Section 5 will be numerical ability. You need to solve 4 questions in 10 minutes. There will not be any negative marking. I have made a video on each of the sections, so I'll put a link in the description box, which okay, you please watch that video also for the exam preparation. Now let's discuss how to apply. Once you click on the apply link, which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the website there they posted the job. Here what you have to do, you need to click here on this checkbox. I agree that I have read all the above declarations. After that you need to click here accept. Once you click here accept, then this form will be reloaded. Here you need to fill this form. So after filling the form, you need to click here next. After again you need to fill those forms, and there are total 92 questions. Okay, you need to fill. So this form will take time, but no need to worry. If you are eligible, then you will definitely receive your online exam link. So after filling all the things, you need to click here submit. If you are eligible, then you will receive online exam link. So now let me discuss very important thing. GATE is now Unacademy is starting new batches for GATE and ESE 2023. Starting all the batches are starting from 1 December 2021. So now let's discuss about each batches one by one. So first batch is first let me scroll up. First batch is Arohan for GATE 2023 CS and IT branch, batch G. Here you can read about this. In this course, the top educators will cover all the subjects of CS and IT and help you to prepare for GATE 2023. The courses will include strategies, tips and tricks, practice questions and numerical along with a detailed explanation of the concepts. The course will be covered in Hindi and English, and the notes will be provided in English. All doubts related to this the topics will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in the course. This course is starting from December 1. Here there are the topics covered. Here you can see the schedule. Okay, now let's discuss about new course. So next course is Arohan for GATE and ESE for 2023 for civil batch, civil branch. Here also you can read about this. Okay, now let's discuss new course. New batch is Arohan for GATE and ESE 2023 electrical. This is batch J. Here also you can read about this. Now let's discuss about next course. Next course is Arohan for GATE and ESE for 2023 ECE. Okay, now next course is Arohan for GATE and ESE 2023 Mechanical Batch R. Okay, so this is the course. Here you can read all the things. Now what you need to do, you just need to click here get subscription. Once you click here get subscription, then you need to choose any one of the two plans. First plan is Plus plan, second plan is Iconic. In the Plus plan, you will get India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. And in the Iconic plan, you will get all the things which includes in Plus. Addition to that, you will get 1 versus 1 live membership. Second one is live doubt solving. Third one is online study material. So select a subscription plan that suits you. Suppose if I want to click here select Plus, I need to click here click Plus. Here there are 3 type of plans. First one is 12 month, second one is 18 month, third one is 24 month. Okay, so let's suppose if we want to buy 12 months plan, then here you can see total price is 34,450 and per month plan is 2,704 rupees per month. Now if you will apply my referral code, which is ANUTIW10, then you will get 10% off. If I'll click here, then here you can see now I got 10% off. Okay, so this is the, in all the things you got 10% off. So if you want to buy this course, then you will get 10% off. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.